Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. Okay, so today I've got a Daikin unit, and I'm telling you what you have to do in the the SKYAIRs. There's many problems with the SKYAIR. The error codes U4, that's mean no communication. So I tell you what you have to do when you got a problem with this on the SKYAIRs. Oh, it's for all the SKYAIR series, all right? So I'm gonna tell you about the Daikin SKYAIR series. This series, there's a lot of problem with U4, or sometimes there's no error code and the indoor units is still working without no error codes. Nothing, but it's still working. No cooling, no heating, no error codes, nothing. And then I tell you what you have to do to repair in this situation. And if you have this problem on these units 2018, 2017, 2016, and I think in 2020 they have the same problem. And if you find some problem like that, so you contact the Daikin company and they send to you the new board. If the unit is not under guarantee, they send to you to repair without pay nothing, okay? Or if they don't send to you, I'm gonna tell you what to do to repair the main board. It's simple, and I tell you what you have to do for these models. All right, so if you find a main board like this one, you're gonna check the capacitors, the blue ones, 4.7, this one, and there's another one here, 4.7. These capacitors, probably it's in low capacitance, and then doesn't generate a small power supply for the communication lines. So that's the reason there's no communication, or sometimes there's no error code and only indoor unit is working without error code. Okay, just replace it, the blue capacitors, 4.7, 4.7 is, and sometimes the 6.8 microfarads. Super simple, it's not so complicated. If you have a capacitor tester, just check it, the capacitance from these capacitors, and probably it's in low capacitance. It's so simple. A massive thanks for you, and subscribe to the channel, and that's it. Bye.
Like you, be strong to hold the powers of the sun. To dream